Hello everyone. Today in this video I want to talk to you about my papaya tree. As you can see, I growing them indoor. They are so healthy and so beautiful. Unfortunately, I lost half of them because they were outside. I put them in my yard and actually bird attacked them and cats attacked them, so I decided to get back them indoor. This is just two of them. I transplant them in this bucket. I have almost 7 plants. I want to tell you, if you want to grow them, you should always cut off the old leaves. As you can see, these leaves always should be cut off. And another thing, they getting new leaves on their stem, so small leaves, and it's called sucker. You should punch them off like this. You can do it with your hand. As you can see, this is another one. This is two of them. Again, I plant them next to my spider plant in this big pot. And this is another. I plant them in this container. This is my avocado. I plant them in this pot. My banana tree. Actually, I got a few pops from my banana tree and I plant them again. As you can see, they are so small, but I'm sure they can grow. I have almost 4 new banana. This is my sensitive plant. As you can see, they are so beautiful. If you touch them, they do it like this. You can grow them indoor. As you can see, I grow it in this pot next to my citrus tree. Thanks for watching me. Please subscribe to the channel. Happy gardening.